Hey everyone, I just got back from a briefing on the new Google Pixel devices. Here's what I learned. There are 4 new phones, the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. For me, I'm most interested in the Pro XL. I'll have a review on that very soon. Also, the briefing I attended is located in Malaysia, which is the first time it's available in the country. Also, Malaysia won't be selling the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. When we asked why, here's the answer directly from Google.
Is not launching in Malaysia this time around. And the reason for that was because when we had made a decision to launch in Malaysia, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold was already into a development phase that was meant for the countries that we were actually already in or had launched it in and had already planned to launch it in. And so Malaysia will basically see next generation of Fold. But not this generation.
So all the phones are powered by Google's latest chip, the Tensor G4. The design is familiar, but feels more refined. I feel like this is the most premium feeling Pixel yet. Feels good in the hand with the matte glass on the back and the glossy metal on the sides. Google said the cameras got big updates this year, and that's actually saying a lot since last year. I feel the Pixel 8 Pro had the best phone camera. Period. So glad to hear that it's even better this year. We'll definitely be testing that out in my full review. The main lens is 50 megapixels plus a 48 megapixel ultrawide camera. And if you get the Pro and Pro XL version, there's an additional 48 megapixel telephoto lens. Also, the Pro versions have the 42 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus, while the non-Pro version has 10 megapixels. The most interesting slide for me was shown in the live stream. It said that the Pixel 9 Pro has the highest quality video on a smartphone. I'm excited to test that because almost everyone knows that Pixel camera is really good for photos, but a lot of reviewers say that the iPhone is still the phone to beat when it comes to videos. Let's see if Pixel is better this year. There are also new AI features that were highlighted in the live stream. I got a demo of the Add Me feature. That's where the photographer can take a group photo for the first shot and then take a second photo with the photographer inside the frame. Google will merge the 2 photos so that everyone is included. I'm also excited about autoframe, but I didn't get to see that live in action. They showed it off at the presentation though. You'll be able to zoom out of a photo and Pixel will generate the missing sections. You could also reimagine to add or change the look of your photos by typing in a prompt. If you've played with Gen AI before, this will be familiar to you. They also had the Pixel Watch 3 in 2 different sizes, but I didn't get to spend much time with it. Looks familiar, but I'm glad there's now a bigger size option. I actually just got the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and have been very happy with the performance and battery so far. I'll be reviewing it soon as well, and maybe compare it with the Pixel Watch 3. The Pixel Buds Pro 2 was also announced. I also didn't get to spend much time with it. I was so focused on playing with the new phones. It's supposed to sound better, have longer battery life, and better fitment. That sounds good to me. I'm actually using the current Pixel Buds Pro and love it. Sounds great and fits well in my ear. I think I got it on sale, so it wasn't that expensive when I bought it. I just don't trust wearing it during workouts because I sweat a lot and it feels like it would slip out. The new Buds Pro 2 is supposed to fit better, so I'm curious if that's true. Overall, I'm more excited about the new phones. I didn't get to see the Pixel 9 Pro Fold in person, but after seeing videos online, my first concern is that I'm not liking the look of the left side of the phone when it's folded. It's just too much visible space that is not usable screen. Compared it to the Galaxy Fold 6, which is more symmetrical and less bezels, but it's supposed to be really thin, so who knows, I might change my mind when I actually hold the phone. So those are my initial thoughts on the launch. I'll share my review of the Pixel 9 Pro XL very soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.